Hi, this is Chotu Ray. Now I am going to start the chapter that is called solid state. Okay. So solid state. So first of all, I would like to discuss from where the solid is came. So we know that matter. Matter is what? Sir, if you take example of what? This marker. So this is also matter. How you can prove, sir? Because this marker has got mass and it also occupy a space. So anything that occupy a space and having mass is called matter. So matter gets classified into three classification. First is solid state, another is liquid state, and third is gaseous state. Gas. So in solid we will read about this state. So we can say that solid is a state of what? Matter. Solid is a state of what? Matter. So first of all, I would like to discuss what do you mean by solid. So solid means वो state of matter which are held together by large intermolecular force of attraction. We know that all substances are made up of atoms. So in such substances, atoms are arranged in a regular pattern. So some are having very hard and some are very soft because atoms are not tightly bonded. So in solid, all the atoms are bonded, held, compressed together by large force of attraction. So we can say that it is a solid. So how we can check? So if we apply any force or pressure, then it does not changes its shape, size as well as volume. Means it has definite shape, size and volume. So what we can write? So we can write those state of matter, those state of what? Matter which are held together by large intermolecular force of attraction. Large intermolecular force of attraction. Now you can take example like iron, copper, silver, gold, aluminium, etc. These all are example of what? Solid. So how we can say that this is example of solid? Because its behavior. If you touch iron, you will feel very hard. How you can feel? If you try to compress this iron, it will not get changes its shape, size as well as volume. So we can say that iron is a true example of solid. Now if you ask, sir, there is other odd example which can also called be a solid like rubber, like glass. So these are solid but not true solid. So we can now classify the solid into two categories. One is crystalline solid, another is amorphous solid. Okay? Now we can write the classification of what? Solid. Now that classification of what? Solid. Classification of solid. First is crystalline solid, another is amorphous solid. Amorphous solid. Okay. First is crystalline solid is what? Crystalline solid means कि those solid in which atoms are arranged in a regular way या regular pattern. But this is not true. Amorphous solid have also atoms arranged in a regular pattern, but they are for short range order. But in true solid, that is called crystalline solid, the atoms are arranged in a regular pattern for long range order. Long range order. So we can say that in this solid, atoms are arranged in a long range order in regular pattern. But you can take in amorphous what ki atoms are not arranged in what? Arranged in regular pattern for long range. Now we can take another example कि if you take the example of crystalline solid, then crystalline solid have got sharp melting point. Sharp melting point is what? If you want to melt any substance solid like iron, so you will get definite melting point या fixed melting point. So if you listen that कि iron have got like 800 degrees Celsius या 1500 degrees Celsius to melt. So if you want to melt that iron, then it will melt exactly at 1500 degrees Celsius, not on 1400 degree, not on 1499, but it will exact melt at fixed temperature. So we can say that in crystalline solid, the solids melt at definite temperature या fixed temperature. So we can write here second point कि this या crystalline solids melt at definite temperature or having fixed melting point. Now second point is what? कि if you want to make the amorphous solid like a chair, plastic chair. If you want to make plastic chair, then you will get a range of temperature. Some plastic chair melts at 15 degrees Celsius. Some plastic chair melts at 150 degrees Celsius. So there is a range, not fixed temperature. So second point, these they melt over a range of temperature. They melt over a what? Range of temperature. Now third point is what? कि crystalline solid have one nature, that is called anisotropic. That is what? Anisotropic. Means crystalline solid have anisotropic in nature. So now sir, tell me what is this anisotropic? So if you take example like refractive index, conductivity, we know that key solids are categorized under metal, non-metal and metalloids. So if you take the example of metal, we know that metal contain a lot of free electrons.